Hi guys, welcome back. Today it's another headlining video. This is from our Land Rover Defender. It's part of a big project, and the whole Land Rover is getting retrimmed. This video is just the headlining, so if you want to see the other videos, I'll put a link somewhere on the screen so you can see the video. If you want to be informed of the progress, then hit the notification bell, and then you'll not miss out on any future videos in the project. So first I need to remove this headlining that's on the boards. The owner of the vehicle has tried to replace the headlining himself. He's put this black headlining cloth on already, but he's put it over the top of the existing headlining. As you can see, there's the black that the customer's put on and the original still on the bottom. So I need to remove both bits. It's going to be a bit of a mission, I think, to remove both. So I'll get on with this big piece first. I've got all the trim pieces here as well. They're not in great condition. They've been slightly abused over time. I think the owner didn't do a very good job of replacing the headlining, and it may have caused a little bit more damage to these pieces. I'll only be able to tell when I remove it all, and we'll see where we're at. Some things may need repairing. I may need to strengthen this piece especially. It's a little bit floppy. As you can see, it's got no structure to it anymore, and a little bit of tears in it, but I'll see when I get round to it. I'll put all these pieces to one side first and just work on this one. This is the front bit that goes over the driver and passenger front seats. And the first job is to remove all this stuff that's on it. It should be interesting. Let's see how we go. Put this to one side now and get on with that. Yeah, I can see that someone's tried to glue it back in place. There's silicone here that someone's put on, and it's past. Well, this is like a vinyl fabric. Vinyl is a nightmare to glue. If you don't use the right glue, it will never hold. Right. Let's try some heat. Not made any difference at all. Sorry about the audio. Next door I'm doing a bit of work on a vehicle. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to just cut away at the edges and leave the foam in place. The foam's very well glued down. So it's going to be quite a slow process, this. If I can get one edge completely free, I should be able to pull it all away. As you can see, I'm just cutting away just down this edge. So I've started on this side because this side has the other piece overlapped onto it, so any damage that I do along this edge isn't going to be seen. So as you can see, I've got it away from the edges. I'm just going to pull it all now towards the middle, and hopefully it should come off. just working my way around it. I'm not trying to pull it off in one big direction. Just easing it around. Way. That's for the bin. So I've now removed all the fabric from the headliner. There's a few little issues that I need to deal with, but nothing too bad. These are a little bit bent, so they're going to need straightening. This one's the same. This is a little bit, as you can see, it's quite floppy. I'm going to do that yet. The rest are not too bad. Now I'm just waiting for the fabric to turn up, and I'll cover those when it does. So I've put a little F here so I know which way the fabric runs. I'm just making sure I've got plenty here. This way. I'll trim off this excess on this side here, don't need that. I'm just feeling for the edge. So something like this, I'm going to do it in 2 halves. Plastic. Don't want to get glue onto it. So I'm just using a spray contact adhesive. The important bits are these bits here. These bits are going to be the most stressed areas. Make sure there's plenty of glue there. I'm not going to glue this part, just glue up to it. Very gentle. Just going to lay it on, and I'm going to work in the bits here first. These are the bits that are the hardest to glue. I'm using a little bit of pressure, not loads. I'll leave this bit here to the last. I'll spin it around. Put this bit over. Same again. Just trying to lay it on. Working in these bits first. The important bit on here will be this bit just here, where the shape changes. I'm going to need to pull it this way to get rid of this bit of a wrinkle here. So that's the main part glued now. I need to turn it over, tuck the ends around, trim off any bits that need trimming off, cut away where the courtesy light goes, and the rear view mirror goes here. Then that will be ready for fitting.